Hi, this is Richard, Victor Echo 2 Delta X-Ray from VE2DX Electronic Design. I just want to do a fast glimpse at our Maple Syrop project. So we did bring good Quebec-based maple syrup with us, but it's not for sale. We're using it because our project that basically came out of an all-nighter in Hamvention 2025 is almost ready to be shown, but not quite. The prototype is not ready. We're hoping to have a full prototype ready to show you by Boston Exposition, and that's going to be major on the, let's call them the multi-band small HF, VHF, UHF radios, the FT1, 705, 817, 857, 897, all these radios are great little radio, but they have one output. And that one output covers all of these bands. So you end up having to change antenna, putting antenna switches. This is going to be an automatic system to select those. And on top of that, for HF, this is automatically going to be detecting transmit or receive. And then it's going to use that to switch and offer the operators a receive antenna. That's also something that all of the new radios are missing. So yes, I'm aiming the market toward those portable and mobile radios, but it could be also a great box for other radios that cover multi-bands like that. So anyway, be at Exposition. The guys would be happy to see you, and I will be happy to present to you the first prototype over there. Thank you, guys.